A topic that is likely to spark your attention is the subject of our discussion today: the subtle clues that could indicate that a woman may have multiple partners. It is of the utmost importance to address this topic with respect and comprehension. Being aware of these indications can help illuminate your relationships. Before delving into the signals, let us pause for a moment to contemplate some sound advice from Stoic thinkers. Marcus Aurelius made the following observation: "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." This concept serves as a reminder to engage in critical thinking and to study our interactions with thoughtfulness. Now, take out your notebook, allow your thoughts to flow freely, and let's get started. Sign number 1. Increased privacy with her phone. Does she seem more secretive with her phone? Perhaps she keeps it down or covers her screen when you pass. This may indicate that she's trying to keep her chats private, possibly due to others. A wise man will never be an expert on anything but his own self, as Seneca said. Understanding oneself is important, and if something feels strange, talk to someone about it. Discuss your concerns. Transparency is vital in any relationship. In a phone-dominated digital age, technology behavior can speak volumes. Her new passwords or frequent use of her smartphone in another room may imply she's guarding something, though everyone deserves privacy. Excessive concealment can damage relationships. Epictetus stated, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." You can set the tone for the talk by how you handle this behavior. Try discussing your feelings instead of accusing her. Say, "I've noticed you're more private with your phone recently and it's making me feel remote. What would you like to discuss?" This demonstrates attention and allows for honest communication. A good relationship requires a safe space for both partners to express themselves. Trust your instincts. If anything feels odd, it could improve communication or reveal problems. Proactively discussing your feelings can help you both overcome uncertainty and maintain transparency in your relationship. Sign number 2. Changes in availability. It may be suspicious if she's always busy or has last-minute plans. While everyone has a life outside of partnerships, if she's hard to get quality time with, she may be juggling multiple partners. According to Epictetus, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Focus on your response. If you feel sidelined, discuss your feelings with her before leaping to conclusions. Multi-partner relationships require careful time management, resulting in unpredictable availability. If she often cancels plans or has unplanned adventures without you, it may be cause for concern. Remember that relationships thrive on time together. Marcus Aurelius noted, "You control your mind, not outside events." Understanding this will give you strength. Instead of letting frustration linger, evaluate your feelings. Do you feel abandoned or insecure? Are you worried about her dedication to your relationship? Starting a conversation helps. You might say, "I've noticed we're having trouble finding time together recently. I respect our time and want to make sure we agree." By sharing your feelings, you encourage her to respond. Take into account her other obligations. Work, family, or personal issues may be occupying her priorities. If this transition seems permanent and is severely damaging your relationship, further discussion is necessary. Communication is essential. Epictetus warns that how we handle our partner's availability can affect the relationship. Staying on top of your needs might make you both feel appreciated and prioritized. Sign number 3. A sudden change in appearance. Have you noticed her making more effort to look good? This may be suspicious. Changing her clothes, cosmetics, or haircut to impress others may be unnatural, but wanting to look nice for herself is natural. According to Marcus Aurelius, impediment advances action, obstacles become paths. Instead of letting her appearance worry you, use it to talk about how you can express yourselves in the relationship. Curiosity, uncertainty, and concern might arise when a partner suddenly invests more time and effort into their appearance. Question who she is dressing up for. Remember that change isn't always bad. Personalities and styles change. However, if the change seems sudden or disproportionate, investigate why. Seneca said, "The greatest obstacle to living is expectancy, which hangs upon tomorrow and loses today." Discuss the matter openly instead of waiting for it to resolve or for your doubts to increase. Say something like, "I've noticed you've been changing up your look lately, and I think you look great. What sparked this change?" You can communicate your feelings while acknowledging her effort. This displays curiosity in her perspective and encourages her to explain her motivations without defensiveness. She may be self-discovering or empowering herself. Many find this process empowering, and it doesn't mean she's dating someone else. Marcus Aurelius says trials can help couples and individuals flourish. However, if her new style is followed by a change in attitude, less affection, or fewer shared moments, it may indicate a deeper issue. Consider the context of these changes. Honest, open communication is crucial. If her new look makes you feel neglected or uneasy, tell her. Compassion and acceptance can deepen your relationship. Embracing change together can strengthen your bond and commitment. Sign number 4. Unusual texting habits. Examine her texting patterns. Does she often text late at night or early in the morning? If she continually texts someone but won't say who, it may indicate a lack of openness, which develops trust in relationships. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Instead of imagining the worst due to her texting habits, talk to her. When you see her on her phone during times you used to talk, you may suspect her constant texting, especially late at night. This can raise questions about her contacts. Texting habits can reflect friendships, business, and personal interests, but concealment can cause concern. Epictetus wisely remarked, "The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have." Instead of fostering openness and connection, we often focus on suspicious behavior. Rather than overthinking possibilities, approach the situation calmly. Ask about a late-night message to start a conversation. You might say, "I've noticed you've been really active on your phone late at night. Is everything okay?" By opening communication, you show you care about her well-being rather than accusing her. Remember, her texting may be innocent. She could be talking to friends, relatives, or co-workers. Understanding her texting context is crucial. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Prioritize information and clarity before reaching conclusions. If she defends or avoids your questions, you may need to discuss it. Any relationship requires transparency. If she won't say who she's talking to, it may be worth investigating. Approach this carefully. Trust is fragile, and how you handle this topic might affect your relationship. Open conversation builds trust and intimacy. By honestly addressing your worries, you provide her a safe space to express herself, strengthening your relationship. Sign number 5. Mysterious plans. Pay attention if she constantly mentions outings with friends, but never invites you or provides details. Everyone needs privacy, but continuous secrecy may indicate that those friends are more than just friends. Epictetus once said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Relax and think reasonably. If her mysterious plans make you anxious, discussing them can clarify things. Being unclear about your partner's plans might cause insecurity and confusion. You may hear her discuss outings with friends without mentioning you. Bewildering behavior may make you reconsider those relationships. Friendships. Seneca said, "If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable." Knowing each other's positions is vital in relationships. If her mysterious plans make you feel left out or uncertain, address this immediately rather than drawing damaging conclusions. Begin by saying, "I've noticed you've been spending time with your friends, but I'd love to know more about your activities. Not having details makes me feel distant." This suggests you want to connect while respecting her space. She might enjoy spending time with friends and not realize how her secrecy affects you. Individuals establish friendships outside of romantic relationships for bonding, support, or mutual interests. Frequently excluding you from her plans may indicate a closer relationship. Epictetus stresses self-mastery. Focus on your feelings and needs before making assumptions. Coolly discussing your concerns can improve communication. Openness in the relationship is indicated by her positive response and willingness to discuss her outings. She may be acting strangely if she grows protective or keeps you in the dark. Follow your gut and prioritize your mental health. Communication and trust underpin all relationships. By addressing ambiguity immediately, you allow both partners to express themselves freely, improving closeness and understanding. Sign number 6. Changes in intimacy. Discussing intimacy, whether an increase or reduction, could indicate multiple partners. A woman may appear distant or eager to connect in different ways. According to Marcus Aurelius, you control your mind, not outside events.